Kid Wiz channel. Let's learn together.
Harry the Hedgehog's Forest Adventures. Once upon a time in a cozy forest, there lived a little spiky hedgehog named Harry. Every morning, Harry would wake up, stretch his tiny legs, and set off on an adventure. He loved sniffing around with his little nose, finding new paths and hidden spots. Harry had lots of friends in the forest. There was Bella the bunny, who loved to hop around and play hide and seek. There was Timmy the turtle, who was slow but always had the best stories to tell. And there was Ollie the owl, who loved to sing songs at night when the stars came out. One day, Harry found a big pile of leaves. He thought it would be the perfect place for a nap. He curled up into a tiny, spiky ball and fell fast asleep. But then, a strong wind came and blew the leaves away. Harry woke up and found himself rolling down a hill, faster and faster. But he wasn't scared. He laughed and enjoyed the ride. When he finally stopped, he found himself in a beautiful garden filled with colorful flowers. Harry sniffed the flowers and smiled. He knew he had found a new favorite spot. As the sun began to set, Harry said goodbye to the garden and went back to the forest. At home, his friends were waiting for him. They had gathered berries for a delicious dinner. Harry was so happy to see his friends and share the yummy food. After dinner, they all sat together and listened to Ollie the owl's sweet songs. Harry felt warm and cozy inside. He couldn't wait to see what tomorrow would bring. And so, Harry the Hedgehog lived happily, exploring the forest, playing with his friends, and always finding new and exciting adventures.
Thank you for watching. Come back again.